today we're gonna be filming another haul yet again. I know I posted a lot of hauls recently, but I was kind of feeling like shopping, so there's just a lot of things to show you. However, I'm also gonna style the pieces to give you some outfit ideas so that, you know, it's not just haul after an haul after a haul. Wow, that was really hard to say. But yeah, I'm also gonna style the pieces to give you some outfit ideas. The brand that I'm gonna be talking about today is called Dressvy or Dressvyshop. I'm not exactly 100% sure that that's how you're supposed to pronounce it, but whatever. They are a beautiful, super cute, stylish and trendy international brand. And what you can probably already tell by the title is that they have so many dresses. I think that's their main focus. Like, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get more of them because like the dress that I got is absolutely beautiful. So yeah, definitely make sure to check them out. I'm gonna link them into the bio, plus everything that I'm gonna be talking about will be also linked in the bio. Also, another thing, they were so nice to give me my personalized gift code, so make sure to use it. It's Natalie Wagner 10. It gives you 10% discount, so yeah, make sure to use it because it saves you money. So yeah. The first thing that I got is this beautiful skirt. It's not a tennis skirt, like it does have these pleats going on, but it's not a tennis skirt. It also, like, see, it's just like it has a normal waistband from the front, and from the back it has this stretchy elastic, which is super, you know, comfortable because like you don't have to be squeezed in there. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna put it on so you can see how beautiful it is. Okay, here is the skirt. It's super comfortable, it's super flowy, and it's really elegant as well. What I really love about it, however, is that it has built-in shorts. Like, they are see-through, but like, you know, they are there, so you don't have to be worried about the wind or, you know, just something showing that you don't want to be showing. You know, it's just very convenient, so that's cool. Also, I was really surprised that it's not at all see-through. Like, usually with my white tennis skirts and like my white mini skirts and all my skirts, I have to be kind of careful about which undies I'm wearing, but right now I'm wearing like really dark burgundy undies, and you can't really even tell that I'm wearing something under there, so it's great. Anyways, I'm gonna style it with shirt, and like I'm gonna put like a cute bra under it, and I'm gonna put a scarf into my hair, and it's gonna be super cute. So yeah, wait, I'm gonna put it on. It's a white skirt, it's a perfect basic, so I feel like you can style this literally with anything you want. See, how cute is that? Wait, I'm gonna also add the scarf into my hair. Like, do you see this cuteness? This is so beautiful. Ah, okay. Wow. Obviously the weather right now is not really warm yet, so I probably would wear it with like a big oversized trench coat, but this is how I would style the skirt. It's so pretty, so flowy. It's just the perfect skirt. So yeah, let's move on. Okay, the next thing I got is this beautiful, like a silky, it's definitely not silk, but like it's this like imitation silk material, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, I could just wear it with this skirt. It would just like tuck it in one side and I'm good to go. Or I could just like, you know, tie it as we did with the previous top, and it again will look so elegant. I just love this. They also have it in a blue color. I'm kind of sad that I didn't get the blue one as well because it just looks so good. But this color is just as perfect. I think I'm just gonna pair it with some 501s Levi's jeans, and I guarantee you this will look like effortlessly pretty. So yeah, again, like I can tuck it in, looks perfect. I can, you know, do the little just 2 buttons thing, and again, perfect. Or you can just unbutton it all the way, and voila, it just looks perfect. I love this shirt. Like, it's just so easy to style and play with. It's breathable, it's comfortable, everything about it is amazing. The next item is these pants. I got these flare pants because I actually don't own a single pair, I think. They have like this cool button, and you kind of like, you see there's like a buckle and you button it, whatever. I'm gonna put them on. These pants are probably like the most problematic thing, or like, I don't want to say the worst thing I got. Well, it's probably the worst thing I got, but they are really good. Like, they are comfortable and everything. However, they just don't fit me well. Like, they are too tight around my thighs, but like once I, you know, get them over my thighs, it's okay. This is how they look. I feel like they are too short on me. Like, I don't like See, like if I stand like this, it kind of looks awkward. I wish they would be a little bit longer because I don't like how they go down and then they just flare out and it just like stays like that, you know? Like the material is kind of, it's very comfortable, but it is kind of stiff. You know, I would like the flare to be a little bit, you know, not so, I don't know how to explain it, like not so flared out, I don't know. Then there's the problem with this. Like I love the button, I love everything about it. However, it's just a little bit too big in my waist, but that is easily fixed. Like I would just, you know, like take it in from the back and that would be good. But yeah, I just don't know about the length. Other than that, they are great. They are very, very comfortable. So I would probably recommend it to someone who is shorter a little bit because then they would probably be the perfect length. I'm gonna style them with just a very, very tiny top. Boom! I have my docs on. The shoes kind of make it better, I feel like, because like you can't really tell how short the pants, well, no, you can still tell that they are short, but I feel like they make it better. I need to fix the waist because they are just, you know, they keep riding down. But yeah, this is probably how I will style it. Just like a basic little tiny top and then like a trench coat probably. I don't know, something like this. Kind of cute. If you don't want to wear a trench coat, you can just wear it with a beautiful shimmery, oh no, button down, such as this one, you know? Boom! A super cute outfit. Nice. Then Dressvy was so nice that they sent me 2 items for free, which is so nice of them. So this is the first thing that I got. This beautiful little tank top. I will probably crop it. This is the full length of the top. As I said, I'm not a big fan of the length. So, see, this just feels way better. Or probably that's just me because I just love anything that is cropped. Anyways, I'm gonna change out of these pants and put something more, something that just goes nicer with this top. So, see you in 1, 2, 3, boom! Here I am. I paired it with these green pants. Also, I wanted to say 3, 2, 1, boom, but somehow I said 1, 2, 3, but whatever. We're gonna ignore it, you know? But yeah, I paired it with these super funky green flared, are these flared? I feel like they are straight legged, but like they kind of flare out a little bit, I don't know, whatever. They are green pants, you know? I feel like this just looks very colorful, very funky, you know, spring is happening. So this is just, you know, this kind of screams spring to me because it's kind of colorful. However, I'm aware that not a lot of I'm aware that not a lot of people own green pants. That's what I was trying to say. So you can also pair it with something more casual, such as white straight-legged or flared pants. Honestly, I don't know my fashion. I should study. See, this is a little bit more appropriate, casual. It's not as colorful, but it's chic and casual. And I like it, it's very easy. Also, it goes perfectly with my scarf from the first outfit. Like, can you see that? You know, blue, white. It's just, you know, everything worked out perfectly. Also, before I forget, the second thing that Dressvy sent me for free is this beautiful, like layered necklace. It's so pretty. It has like this rhinestoney heart. It's so pretty. And then these tiny little golden hearts that go all around your neck. I literally wear this every single day. I just put it, you know, on with some of my everyday necklaces and I feel like it just adds so much to it. Like, you know, the cute sparkles of the rhinestones and like the hearts. I just love this. Alrighty, and the last thing that I got from Dressvy is this beautiful dress. I have to say this is my favorite thing that I got from them. And as I said, I'm kind of sad that I didn't get more dresses from them because, you know, the shop is literally called Dressvy. So, you know, like obviously the best thing that I get from them is a dress. So I should have bought more, but whatever. I got this amazing like green flowery meaty dress with this beautiful slit that goes like right to my thigh. Also, another thing that I really like about it is that it has this ruching in the back which just like cinches in your posture in the most beautiful way. And then also it has a zipper, so it's very comfortable to get into it. And then it ties around your neck, which usually I'm not that big of a fan because that kind of has like the, you know, halter top feel to it, and I do not like halter tops because they kind of like make my shoulders look too big. But this just makes me look so good. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put this on so you can see for yourself. I mean, I love this dress so much. Just look how beautiful it is. It makes my posture look so good. Also, the slit just goes up to the... I love it. Oh my god, wait. Also, you can literally pair it with any little shoes and it will look great. Like, I have these two ones, but then I have like strappy heels, anything, and it just looks so good. Like, let me show you. Like, see? Chunky weight flip-flops. Freaking amazing. Let's go on a beach kind of feel. I love it. Or I have these little like kitten heels. Again, they're white. This kind of gives me like lunch or walk through the city kind of vibes. And see how the straps just make me look perfect. Also the back, just like look at this. Oh, I love open back dresses because it just makes you look very sexy. Alrighty, so that was the last item that I got. I have to say I'm really impressed with Dressvy. Like, I didn't expect it to be this good. Obviously, we did have one hiccup with the pants, but that was just the fit. Like, all of the pieces are really well made. Like, they don't feel cheap at all, so that's really good. As I said, I'm super impressed with everything. Everything was super comfortable, breathable, well made, so yeah, as I said, everything will be linked in the bio with the sizes that I got and with my body measurements for reference. And don't forget to use my discount code NatalieWagner10, which gives you 10% off of any purchase. Also, if you have a minute, go check out my Instagram. I post daily outfit inspo on there. And then if you have another minute, you can go check out my TikTok. I kind of just started being active on there, so you can go check it out. And lastly, if you're from Europe, go check out my Vinted. I have so many of my old clothes on there, so make sure to check it out. The prices are super cheap, so yeah. Anyways, that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment something down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!